Now we're gonna start talking. So, I don't know when. Probably now. Wait, just give us a minute. There's very nice weather outside. I mean, you can snore during the video. Maybe they'll
Don't snore.
get a snore view.
I don't snore.
I was telling the cicadas just shut their mouth.
I'm not talking to the cicadas.
It's hard enough life. They're louder than anything.
Okay.
Growing problem. I feel like every time we do this, she always leaves. People always leave. Just Lindsey. Rude. Talk. Why'd you leave me, Lindsey? Please come back. Girl, come back. Sweet. Making this awkward. Just heard the door shake. Hello? Oh, look who came to make an appearance. Yeah. What kind? No sugar. Ain't no one need diabetes. Not from a cookie.
Oh, yeah, I'm on the beach.
The beach, each.
Just the beach.
Is that when the bands are performing, everyone's like,
Come on.
Titus! You wanted to make an appearance!
Up. Go up. Up. Woo!
I'm towards it. I stay up here.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh! Hi! No. Oh, get out here! We have a very special guest who's not cooperating.
Come on up, Titus. Come on.
Here you go, bye-bye. Woo! Here he is.
Okay, for all you vegetarians out there, this looks like it'd be a nice, vegetarian soup, right? Light vegetable noodle. Look at the first ingredient. Chicken broth.
Oh, how does that make you feel?
Terrible. I mean, you might as well just eat this beef ravioli. Come on.
Look at that cute face. Your model-esque features. It's got both of us in the shot.
Nice.
Do you know where the birthday party is? The birthday party?
It's in Atlantis.
I think it's in Atlantis. Do you know where I'd go for that? No? No directions? None?
Sorry for the inconvenience.
I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry. Okay.
Me and Jessica are having a sleepover fest
I'm going a little cray.
and talking about older men.
A little cray. Oh man. Next tattoos. Boys, get them, please. It'd make life much easier for me. Stubble.
And
that
curls.
sounds weird. No. Instruments. Learn to play one.
True.
And be good at it. And don't be cocky. He's got a cat.
I guess you could add that to the checklist. Why is the camera?
Girl sleepover.
I think 99% of people think I'm a bit cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
I mean, if they don't, I do.
Okay, then like 99.99%? Possibly 99.
She looks like she
I look
taken
like a
my
man.
tax from. I'll have to look.
You caught me.
I knew it. What'd you put in our food?
Testosterone.
About, I think it was 98 or so, we moved back here to the back part of the property and renamed it as the World Pulse Festival. It's when we hired you.
So 5 years ago. 5 years ago, right at that moment.
No, actually, back in the 90s, we decided we were outgrowing the front part of the property.
Looking pretty good.
And